Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So we can see that XAUUSD on the lower time frame currently showing significant trading opportunity. This is the weekly zone where we saw the market as expected grab the liquidity and started to move again in the major direction. Now before we look at how we can find trading opportunity, first, let's look at again overall picture in the market. We can see that from the bigger picture perspective, from the monthly XAUUSD is bull market. Starting from here, we can see that this is a monthly impulse followed by this correction, and we can see another impulse followed by deeper correction. After back-to-back two monthly impulse this month, we can see the market open with a gap, and after the retest of this gap the price managed to break out with a stronger momentum. Now currently the price above this monthly resistance, and we can expect for this market after initial pullback to continue to rise to create a new higher high. If we look at the weekly chart on XAUUSD, we can see that from the weekly perspective also showing significant bullish. We saw that there was a breakout structure here from the weekly form, that inverted head and shoulder, strong breakout followed by this pullback, and back to back 2 weeks bullish impulse. The candle closed from the weekly above this resistance line. Now this week, as usually, we can see the market open with a gap, and from that gap open there is a strong break to the upside. This is the weekly high where the price already crossed the previous weekly high and showing a very stronger momentum on the lower time frame. Therefore, from the weekly as well, we can expect further upside bias in this instrument throughout the week. Stepping down to the daily chart to see how the price is evolving, we can see that from the daily there is a momentum gain here with an inverted head and shoulder, strong breakout with that momentum gain followed by daily doji formation here. And with the daily doji, we can see that there is a gap open here on the daily perspective. After this gap open, the market has formed series of higher low, and today's price action, we can see that after opening there is a strong bounce to the upside with this daily momentum. As the market is showing a very stronger momentum, we can expect this market to continue to rise to create a new higher high. If we look at the 1 hour chart to see overall picture, we can see that from this lower time frame we can see a breakdown of this market structure. This is a clearly defined a strong bullish market structure where the market is maintaining typical bullish market structure. Here we saw that during the weekend there was an head and shoulder formation here, and many traders have in fact trapped in that area. Potentially there was a sign of reversal, but instead we saw the market after a retest started to bounce back up multiple times. We see the market in this lower time frame grabbing liquidity, giving a very high probability for XAUUSD to remain bullish. This is the lower time frame price action that we will be waiting for deeper pullback. After a retest and liquidity grab, we can look for potential bullish trading opportunity on XAUUSD for this potential move to the upside with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoyed this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.